Today we have the 2022 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just over 62,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are full leather. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access 4Pass Connect, valet mode, our vehicle settings, mobile apps, navigation, emergency assistance and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side.